Alright y'all, I'm back in my spot. The sun's kind of going down a little bit. It looks like we got some storms coming, but I don't think that's going to happen. We caught some absolute monsters out here last time, so I'm going to see if they're still around. So let me get set up and then we're going to eat some shrimp.
Hey man, what you say? How you been? How was your day? My day was great. How about yours? My day was but really good.
Alright, you know my usual drill. I got my little rod holder, got my Casino rod with a Berkeley fusion reel, 50-pound spider wire. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the truck nut setup again. I think that's what, they're both 1.5 ounce sinkers, so 3 ounces of weight. Loosen up my drag, pull this out. I gotta change that finger cot. I don't remember if I said anything on one of my other videos, but I definitely got a little bobo on my thumb. I gotta keep that dry. Yeah, I got it bandaged up right now. It's not too bad. I just cut off a nice little corner on my thumb. You know, it's been about 10 years since I worked in the kitchen, so getting sliced, that was bound to happen eventually. I'll just throw that away later. And slip this glove on. Got out here a little bit later than I wanted to because I was helping Frank do some things and got held up in traffic, trains, and scrapyard wouldn't take this. It's a lot of driving around. Oh, yeah, I already got my hook on there. I just need some shrimp. I'm gonna start off just cutting these in half. And I don't have my headlamp, so I'm gonna be fishing in the dark for a little bit. Whether or not you like it when I do these videos at night, I don't care. The sun's setting too early. I don't have enough productive hours in the day to do things that I want. So just gonna have to deal with it. I flipped my bail this time and yeet. I'll be back when I get a bite. Now let me do a shrimp check. I got a bunch of nibbles for the very first time I cast. But I got a feeling I might have to catch some fresh shrimp. The first shrimp I used, I'm pretty sure I caught that one last night. It was like the only one left in my ice chest. Yeet. Yeah, because that shrimp's been in my freezer for a while. I got some shad. I don't want that though. Let him back. There you go. Nothing. Yeah, so far nothing's touched that. I need to get some fresher shrimp is what I'm thinking. Yeet. Awesome, there we go. We got some shrimp now. Alright, we're going to go with live shrimp this time. Oh, nice. I got 3. I'm going to save that jumbo, use the smallest one for bait, which would be, this guy's going to be bait. These 2. Yeet. Let's see how we do with this. I'm still rolling. Yep. Yeet. I thought I had something. I felt the thumping and my line went slack. Yeah, these fish want fresher shrimp. Let's see if that shrimp's even on there still. Nope, took it. Alright, I'll be back. There we go, y'all. We got something. He's putting up a fight. This might be a small red. What do we have? Yep, small little rat red. Let's see, that's a good sign that they're out here. I don't think he's big enough for me. Dog, my tape measure. Got a redfish. I'm trying to find out how big he is, but my tape measure's stuck. I don't think he's legal size though. Do you have a tape measure? Oh wait, I might be able to get it. Yeah, there we go. Alright. He is at 14. Got one spot on that side. No, he's not legal size. They gotta be 16 inches. He's 2 inches. Yeah, but he's 2 inches too short. No, he's it's not legal to keep that. He's gotta go back. He's too small. Alright, let's see if we can get some more of that action. Shrimp. I'm going to keep this motion, keep this action going. I don't have my headlamp tonight. It's going to get dark. I'm sorry. But I'm going to keep that line cast out while I do this. Hopefully I get a bite on there. I want another red. I want those monsters we were catching last time. Oh, I didn't even know I had a shrimp. And I just want to say, I'm finally getting to that video when I caught 6.5 pounds of shrimp that day. I'm like, dude, God, I did not know how to throw a cast net. But now watch this. Yeet. Beautiful cast right there. I can only imagine how much more shrimp I would have caught if I actually knew how to throw a cast net that day. Yeah, these are the big jumbo ones. Would like some more bait shrimp. Oh, we got a shrimp. That's a good bait size one. We'll use him. Let me go change this out. Take a break from shrimping for a little bit. Let them recollect in this area. I'll be back when I get a bite. Sorry, y'all. I had a big ass hit. See if it'll do it again. No, I got something. Holy, okay. This one's putting up a fight. This got to be another red. This one does feel bigger. I hope this is a keeper. Nope, just another rat red. He does look smaller, but let's measure him just for the hell of it. Tape measure, one of these pockets. There we go. We are at, oh, he's getting smaller. He's only 12. Okay. Calm down, partner. Thanks for playing, but I gotta set you free.
Oh,
No, red.
huh?
Redfish. He's only 12 inches. He's way too small. 1, 2. Oh.
Okay.
He's got 2, 4 spots.
Small one?
Yeah, he's too small. They gotta be 16 inches. Too small.
You yesterday coming?
Huh?
Yesterday coming? Yesterday?
I was here yesterday. My friend caught a 25-inch one.
Oh.
And a big black drum, but we couldn't get him up. on the, we got him to the step, but then he got away. Well, the fishing hasn't been that great tonight, just 2 undersized reds. The shrimping's been okay, so I think I'm just gonna do that till I gotta get home and get ready for work in the morning. And yeah, let's go throw that cast net. Make sure that lid's closed because this ice chest don't hold my ice too well. I need to get a good, a slightly better cooler that'll fit in there. One of those 5-day ice coolers. The bigger Coleman one I got on wheels, that one's pretty good, but it won't fit in my bike basket. I want that version, but something smaller. Yeet. Nah, no shrimp. I'm gonna keep trying over here though. I haven't been catching them every throw, but every once in a while I might catch like, I think the most I caught tonight was like 6 in one cast. But usually it's like 1 or 2 shrimp. Oftentimes none, but I mean, seems like an okay night to do this. Yep, I got one. 2. Cool. Yeah, let's kick him up a little that way. Actually, let me bring my net. And I'll dump him in the cooler. Where'd I put them? There they are. Yeah, we'll keep them in the net. Dump them in the cooler as we go. I see one in there. He's a little bait-sized guy. No, I got 2. There we go, not bad. These are a little on the smaller side, but they're still shrimp. I see one, and it looks like I got a shad. That little shad must be stuck in my net. Yeah. Where you go? We don't need you. And there's our 1 shrimp from that. I thought I had a big fish, but I got 4 shrimp in that cast. Let me get my net. Now if I could catch that many every cast, that'd be set. Yeah, it's still getting these big jumbos. But yeah, they'll shrimp will add up. All I gotta do is just stick and move, slowly work my way down the seawall. And there's miles of seawall here. It's just something about this canal has been phenomenal for me. Two shrimp. Yeah, I think I'll be doing this the rest of the night. There we go, got 2. Got a jumbo and 2 bait-sized shrimp. Damn, you just kicked that one. Hang on, I'm coming for you. But yeah, you see how many shrimp I'm getting? That ain't bad. Not bad at all. Usually like maybe 2 per cast, sometimes 4. I mean, I got a decent amount here.
This room? 3 pounds?
Nah, probably like 2 by now. I love when I'm like, oh, I only got one shrimp, and then boom, two of them pop up. And what I think I'm gonna do is once I get to that storm drain, I'm gonna set up my fishing rod again. Try to find one of them little bait size guys. Looks like I got two of them there. Oh, damn, 4. Nice. Okay, I see 2 in there. Yep. In between this set of stairs, this one, and that one, you know, I'm doing pretty good in this spot. This something about this little part of the seawall, the way the water's pushing them in. It's working out for me. There you are. Stop. But so far, let me show you how much I caught. Just between that seawall, that's a good amount of shrimp there. We'll just top this off. Yeah, that ice chest is filling up. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe we caught all the shrimp. I'm going to put up my cast net. He is putting up a bit of a fight. Let's see what we got here. You don't feel too big though. I hope that's a croaker. Dude. Oh, it's a red. Yeah, he looks pretty small, but let's measure him. That's good if the reds are still biting. I might stay here just a little bit longer. I want to say he's probably 13 inches. Oop. Just under 13. Man, at first I thought that was a speck, but it's not. Well, I got him through the upper lip there. Not even in his mouth. He's got 2 spots there, 2 on that side. I'm not sure, but I may have already caught this guy today. He does have some holes in his mouth, like he has been hooked. Away you go. Thanks for playing. I'm gonna have to review that video, see if that is that same fish. Right back where I started at. It's a little to the side of that drain pipe. I'm gonna try maybe a few more times. I'm really hoping that I get to go home with a decent meal. These shrimp will fill me up. I ain't trying to be greedy, but man, times are hard right now. This is a survival situation. I think I was actually going to land this guy, but I got me a male blue crab. Okay, you can let go of my finger now. Yeah, he's male. That was close. I should have recorded that. He let go probably about the 3rd step. I managed to catch him before he got back in the water. Little croaker, it looks like. Nope, that's a catfish. Big old fat belly on that guy. Big fat belly channel cat there. He ain't too big though. Let's see. I don't think he's 11. Let's measure him up. Where's that dang old tape measure? There you are. Alright, calm down. He's only 9. Well, sorry to make you bleed like that, but hey, thanks for playing. And the total weight of tonight's shrimp, just about 3 pounds. That's not bad. Well, it's kind of a bummer that none of the fish we caught that day were keepers, but at least we got to keep a couple pounds of shrimp. The reason I fish that spot so often is because it happens to be the closest to my house, which unfortunately is about a 13-mile bike ride there and back, 17 if I want to hit up Bonneville or Mouth Bayou St. John, which if you haven't realized by now, I don't own a vehicle. I have to bike everywhere that I go. So at the moment I am looking for some fishing partners. If you happen to be in the area and would like to go fishing or magnet fishing, you can shoot me an email, yeetmags504@gmail.com, and we can make arrangements. I'll have gas money for you and a guest spot on my YouTube channel if the catching's good. And if you're enjoying these videos, you know the drill. Like and subscribe. Or don't, because either way, ain't gonna hurt my feelings.